Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6136. This ran from the 3rd 2015 to the 6th 2022. It has a 4G 64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4G 64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door has a crease in the front, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, instrument cluster,